Good evening, students and parents. How are you today? Hello. So many of you are here. Hi, Afrin. Hi, Rayan. Hi, Sandra. Hello, Slay. Hello, Joan. So many of you. Four Leaf Mama, Lover Girl. I recognize some of your names from yesterday also. So, are you here for revenge, Team Rumi? Yesterday, Team Rumi almost caught up with Team Gino, right? Very interesting. So, students, welcome to the PSLE MathTok Live, Primary 4 and Primary 5 Special Edition. Today, we are focusing on Primary 5 Intermediate Level. Who here wants to add 10 extra marks to your math exam tonight? Double tap on the screen if you want to add 10 extra marks. Very nice. I can see many of you double tapping the screen. Oh, we are already at 1K likes, even before the lesson even started. That was so fast. The first goal is 5K, okay? So, everybody, welcome to PSLE Math Talk Live. I'm Coach Leo, and I'm the founder of Tutify Education and co-founder at Southeast Asian Math Olympiad. So, yes, I might add in a little bit of Math Olympiad style shortcuts, okay? For the past 18 years, I've been analyzing exam papers and coaching students just like you, and many of whom went on to achieve AL1. So now it is your turn to let me get to know you, everybody. What school are you from? Can everybody comment your school name in the chat? I want to know which schools are representing tonight. What is Team Rumi and what is Team Gino? I'll tell you later on, okay? For those of you, just in case we have anyone who is having your first time with us, if you have not downloaded your worksheet, no problem. Click on my profile. Click on my profile, right? And can you see that there's a link tree here? Link tree, click on the link tree, and where do you go? You just need to click on Join the Math Talk Live P4 and P5 Special Edition. Click on this button so that you can download the worksheets and join us, okay? Alright, just in case there's anyone who is new here. One more time, go to my profile, click on the logo, click on my logo, go to my profile, click on this link tree. Once you click on the link tree, you'll be able to join Math Talk Live. Okay, everyone? So, those of you who do not know what is Team Rumi and Team Gino, it must be your first time here. Don't worry. Let me tell you how it's going to work, okay? Let me see which school are you all from first. CHIJ, Hua Min. Wow, shout out to Bendemeer, CHIJ, Hua Min. Stella Gracia, I'm going P6, attending for fun. Attending for fun, no problem. Southview, hello. St. Stephen, very nice. Anchor Green, Westview, Bendemeer, so many of you, well done from all over Singapore. Okay, now I'm going to, NUSH also, okay, West Spring also, very good. Hello everybody. So students, today it is great to see all of you here. Tonight will be one of the final one of the final chances that you can boost your score for the end of year exam. So here is how the session will work. If you have already downloaded your worksheet, fantastic! You'll get to share your answers in the chat. But if you haven't, don't worry. Go to my profile, click on my link tree. Can you see my link tree? Join the MathTok Live. Then you can download the worksheets for free and join us tonight. Now, most importantly, when I'm teaching, please don't copy down the answers. You know why? Because when I'm explaining, it is best that you pay attention, listen, and ask questions. If you have any questions, you type it in the chat. So instead of being so busy putting your head down and copying, you know why? If you keep on copying, then what if you miss out the explanation? Then you will not be able to learn as well. So don't waste time copying, because after the lesson, 1 hour after the lesson, the worksheet solution, the full solutions will be emailed to every single one of you who registered, okay? So don't need to worry about the solution. Just pay attention, and most importantly, have fun and interact and ask questions. That's how you learn. And one more thing before we begin. This is the worksheet, right? So students, tonight we are going to have an epic math battle between the boys and the girls. So it is Team Rumi versus Team Gino. And actually that was yesterday's score. Students, remember yesterday this was your score, 26 and 30. So I'm going to reset the score, 0-0. And we are going to see who is going to be the winner today. Can Rumi take their revenge today? So how does this work, students? When I ask for your answer, the first 3 people who give the correct answer will be the one who score points for your team. Now, if you're a boy, you're from Team Gino. If you're a girl, you're from Team Rumi. So when you give your answer, can you please type the letter R or the letter J so that I know which team you're from, and I'll be able to give you your points. Okay, students? So, one more thing. If I did not ask for the answer and you give me your answer, it's not counted. Only when I count down. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to show you the countdown timer. Only when I count down, then you can give your answer. Ready? And let me do an example first. Then after that, you can give your answer. Once the timer is over, then you can type your answer. Then it will be counted. The first 3 who give me the correct answer will win points for your team, whether it is Team Rumi or Team Gino. Okay? So students, we are about to begin. One more time, for those of you who have not downloaded your worksheet, go to my profile. Okay, click on my logo, go to my profile. Can you see that there's a link tree over here? So you look at this link tree, right? You click on the link tree, then you end up with this. Then you just need to join MathTok Live, P4 to P5, free of charge. Okay, then you will be able to download the worksheet and join in today's live. So are you ready, students? We are about to begin. First, this question tests your understanding of the order of operations, which is a very important basic skill that everybody needs to know. So in order of operations, we know that the brackets take the highest priority. Okay, after brackets, you can have multiplication or division. And after that, it is addition and subtraction. So students, whenever you see such a thing, you need to always do the brackets first. Then you focus on the next thing, which is your multiplication. Then you focus on your addition. Am I right? So please take note of the order of operations while doing this. And of course, you need to learn how to add fractions. I've recently published a TikTok video yesterday teaching you all about fractions. I hope you have watched it. If you have not watched it, don't worry. After this lesson, you can go and watch it. It will tell you about multiplying fractions, dividing fractions, and adding fractions and subtracting fractions. So students, how are you going to give me your answer? I'm about to count down so that you can give me your answer. But how do you give me your answer if it is a fraction? For example, your answer is, let's say your answer is like 7 out of 11, for example. Okay? Or maybe your answer is 6, 7. Okay, then how should you type your answer? You just need to type 6/7. Whenever you type your answer as a fraction, you just need to type a slash. Then I will know that your answer is a fraction. Understand, students? So this is going to give you a fraction answer. I'm going to count down very soon. Remember, boys, you are Team Gino. Type a letter J when you give your answer. Girls, you are Team Rumi. Type a letter R when you give your answer. Are you ready? And the countdown is going to begin right now. Time's up! Send your answers, students. Looks like I can see answers from Mumuchel. Mumuchel, is it? Is it Mumuchel? Okay, Mumuchel. Then we have EG, and we have 2 and 1 over 7. No lah, I don't think it's 2 and 1 over 7. Oh, looks like Team Gino got the points. Congratulations, Mumuchel and EG. You got it for Team Gino. And who else? Let me see if there's anybody else. Adin. Is it Adin? Slay. Oh wait, Slay. Elfrin. And Daphne also, wait. Okay, so the next one is Ellie. No, Ellie, you got it wrong, Ellie. That's not correct. Daphne, Team Gino. So we have Team Gino. 3 points for Team Gino. Congratulations, Team Gino. You are off to a strong start. Come on, Rumi. Don't worry, you can catch up. Okay, now it's only question number 1. So, students, you are correct. The answer is 17 over 21. Let's see what is the way that we can solve it. So, students, first we are going to focus on the brackets. And as you know, as long as the fractions has the same denominator, you can immediately add them together. So we are going to end up with 2 over 3 plus 3 over 18 times 1 over 7 plus 5 over 7 equal to 6, 7, right? Okay, so students, now we need to focus on the multiplication. Before you multiply, I always like to say this. Students, repeat after me, okay, everybody? I know I cannot hear you, but just repeat after me. Simplify before you multiply. Okay, ready? Your turn to say it. Okay, ready? Everybody say with me. 1, 2, 3. Simplify before you multiply. Why? Why simplify before you multiply? So that you don't need to deal with such big numbers. Hey, look. 3 times 6 equals to 18. Then are you going to multiply 18 and 7? Isn't it a very big number? Don't waste your time. Whenever you see a fraction, you can always try to simplify it. So we are going to simplify first. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. Then you can even divide this by 3. Divide this by 3. Wow! Suddenly, our answer becomes so small. 2 over 3 plus 1 out of 7. Correct? So after that, you just need to make the denominator the same, which is going to be 21. Okay? And over here we have 3 times 7 is 21. So 2 times 7 gives you a numerator of 14. And on the other side, we have 7 times 3, which is 21. 1 times 3 gives you a numerator of 3. And the final answer is 17 out of 21. There you go. So students, what do you learn from this? I'm sure it is not really that difficult. Okay, but we learned that we should simplify before you multiply. Understand, students? Simplify before you multiply, so that you don't need to deal with such big numbers. Alright, let's take a look at question number 2. Now, students, they're asking you, which of the following has the greatest value? So, do you see? I'm going to label it for you. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So, when you give me your answer, you can just type, is it fraction A, fraction B, or fraction C? Don't give me your answer yet. Students, just in case you are just joining me, if you give me your answer without me asking you, then it is not counted. I must show you the countdown timer like this. Once the countdown timer runs out, then you can give your answer. So don't give your answer yet, just in case anyone of you are just joining us. If you are just joining us and you don't have the worksheet, go to my profile, click on the link tree, then you'll end up at this page. Click on this button, join MathTok Live, and download your worksheets to join me. Okay? So, students, I'm going to label the fraction A, B, and C. It is up to you to tell me which one has the greatest value, and I'm going to count down soon. Are you ready? Guys, you're from Team Gino. Girls, you're from Team Rumi. Type the letter R and the letter J when you give me your answer, so that I know which team to allocate the answer. The countdown is going to start now! Give me your answers. Let's see who got it. I can see Rumi and Juliana. Okay, I can see Four Leaf Mama, Juliana, and who else? Ilaris. Wow, three of you. All of you are from Team Rumi. Congratulations. Team Rumi has immediately caught up with Team Jinu. I think Team Rumi is very serious tonight. They are very serious on taking their revenge since yesterday they did not win. Very nice. Congratulations, Rumi. You have scored 3 points for your team and you are catching up with Team Jinu. Okay? Wow. Oh, it's already almost 5K. Don't worry, students. We still can do one more question. Alright? So, students, why is this answer A? Which one of the following has the greatest value? So, students, there are several ways to do it. What is the most common way? The most common way to compare fractions is to make sure that the denominator is the same. So if you want to look at the denominator, you want to make it the same, you need to find the lowest common multiple of 3, 5, and 7. Now, students, do you know that all of them are prime numbers? What is a prime number? A prime number cannot be divided by anything else. It can only be divided by number 1 and himself. So prime numbers, when you try to find the lowest common multiple, right, you just need to take 3 times 5 times 7. It's going to be a very big number, which is 105. Okay? So 3 times 5 times 7 is the lowest common multiple, which is 105. It's quite a big number. It makes it a little bit difficult for us. So what if, students, we do it another way? Instead of making them have the same denominator, do you know what else you can do or not? You can also make the numerator the same. So, look, students, 2, 3, and 4. Hey, isn't it much easier to make this the same? So can we just agree that the lowest common multiple of 2, 3, and 4 is actually 12? So we just need to give them all the same numerator, 12. Then we can convert. Okay, so this is 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times 6 gives you 18 denominator. Next one, 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 4, 20. 20 is the denominator. And this one is 4 times 3, 12. 7 times 3, 21. So 21 is the denominator. So students, they ask you, which fraction is the biggest? Okay, now, who can tell me? Okay, what is the meaning of, whenever you see a fraction, can you type in the chat, everybody, what is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this line? What does this line mean? Every single fraction has a line. What does it mean? 5K likes! Alright, students! Wait. Let me see my... Okay, that was 50K. So now let me change this to 5K. Okay, 5K likes! Let's celebrate! Nice! Okay, that was fun, students. We have 5K likes. So the next one will be 10K. Alright, next one will be 10K. So, students, well done. We have hit 5K likes. This life is full of energy. The more energy, the more interaction, the better we all learn. Okay? So, students, let's continue. Okay, I was teaching you that we are going to change the numerator to the same. So, how do you know which one is the biggest? The meaning of this line, it means divide. So whenever I write a fraction, 1 over 2 means 1 divided by 2. Okay? Now, yesterday I did this, but today I need to do it again because it's very important. If I have the number 100, you divide by 100, the answer is 1. 100 divided by 10, the answer is 10. 100 divided by 1, the answer is 100. 100 divided by 0.1, what will happen? 1000. 100 divided by 0.01, what will happen? The answer is even bigger, 10,000. So students, why am I doing this? I'm trying to show you that whenever you divide a number, whenever you take a number and you divide by a very big number, then the answer that you get will be very small. However, if you take a number and you divide it by a very small number, what will happen? The answer suddenly become very big. So students, I want you to look at the denominator, 18, 20, and 21. If you divide by a small number, then your value is very big. So the answer should be this one. Okay, so this should give you the biggest value, students. So this would be the biggest value. That's why the answer is, what the? 10K already? Okay, let's celebrate 10K likes. Students, well done. We have hit 10K likes. The next one will be 25K. So the numbers will be very nice and round. 25, 50, then 100. Okay? So well done, everybody. 10K. Alright. Keep the energy high, students. So now we have learned that the smaller, if you divide by a very small number, your answer will be very big. Okay? So let's try question number 3, students. Express the volume of the liquid in C. Okay, what are they trying to say? They are trying to say that we want to find this volume here. So we want to express this volume as a fraction of what? A and B. Oh, that means you need to add A and B, you know. You need to take this plus this, right? Then you need to take C as a fraction of A and B. So there are two things you need to do very carefully here. Number one, you need to be able to read the markings. Read the volume carefully on the diagram. Okay, you must read it correctly, number one. Number two, you must express it as a fraction and don't forget to simplify your answer. A lot of people forget to simplify their fraction, then they will lose marks unnecessarily. So students, I'm going to give you some time to think about it, okay? Then I'm going to do the countdown. Teamwork, y'all. Wow, Jun Hong, teamwork, y'all. Next answer for me is different. Okay, my mom don't care. Flying cockroach. Oh my God! Flying cockroach in the room? I tell you, if there's a flying cockroach, right, you'll see my handphone drop. Then suddenly the live get disconnected, okay? Cockroaches. That's disgusting, man. Mine is ratio. Ratio? Why ratio? No need to use ratio. We are going to do fractions here. Okay, by the way, ratio you don't need to know. Okay, so students, are you ready? I'm going to do the countdown. And when you type your answer, how should you type it? Your answer is going to be a fraction. So if your answer is 6/7, then you just need to type in the chat 6/7. Understand? Okay, so that's how you type your answer. So everybody, I'm going to give you a 5-second countdown. Remember, boys, you're from Team Gino. Girls, you're from Team Rumi. When you give your answer, please type R or J, depending on which team you're from. The first 3 correct answer will win points for your team. Are you ready? And let's go! Give me your answers now! I am looking at the chat. And I can see that Team Rumi gave an answer, but it's wrong. Team Gino, it's CC, you never simplify your answer. Leah Dex, Lya Dex, you gave the wrong fraction. Very close, but wrong. Let me see who else. Who else got it correct? Let me check. AKVMA, you got it correct. Team Rumi got 1. Followed by Hachiware. Number 8, Hachi. 8 means, Hachi means 8 in Japan, right? In Japanese. Very good, Hachiware. You got it correct from Team Rumi. And we got Fauzulik. Wow. All of you are from Team Rumi. Congratulations, Team Rumi. You are kicking the boys. You are really kicking their butt. All right, so let me update the score. For Team Rumi, you have 3 points, which gives you 6 points in total. And Team Gino, you are lagging behind. Oh my goodness, congratulations Team Rumi, you have overtaken Team Jinu. So let's see if they can catch up. Don't worry Jinu, you have already won yesterday, right? I'm sure you can still fight back. Okay? So don't give up boys, don't give up. So students, what are we supposed to do? I think it's very important. We need to read very carefully. Why? Because you need to read the reading. You need to get the reading correct. If you see that this is 100, this is 200, the water level is in between 100 and 200, then obviously this is 150. Okay, so we write 150 over there. What else? Okay, this is 100 and 200, right? So I would suggest that we count them one by one so that you can be 100% sure what it is. So let's say that this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Is it believable or not? Yes, I think it's quite believable. Then let's continue counting. 120, 140, 160, 180, followed by 200. Believable, right? So you see, if you're really not sure, you just count it. It's always good to play safe, students. You know, I made a video about the AL1 mindset, and it was for the PSLD students. I told them, do it once and do it well. That is how AL1 students do it. Do it one time, but do it well. What does it mean? That means don't rush. If you rush now, right, then you think, oh, later I have time to come back and check. Oh. What if you don't have time to come back and check? Or even if you have time, what if you forgot to check which question? Then you will still make the careless mistake. So my suggestion is do it one time, do it well. Then you can move on very confidently. So students, you just take your time to count it and you realize that the reading is 160 here. Next, what is the reading here? Okay, you can try to count. This is 400, 300, 200, 100. So if you have a water level in between 200 and 300, then this must be 250. So students, now we can write down C out of A plus B. 250 out of 150 plus 160. That will give us 250 out of 310. So please simplify. Just now I saw one of you give me the answer 250 out of 310. You never simplify, you're going to get it wrong. So make sure you simplify, get rid of the 0, get rid of the 0. What do you get? 25 out of 31. Well done. Okay, students. Good job. What? We are almost at 25K. So fast. Okay. Anyone have any questions? Type in the chat. 3 more likes. What do you mean? Hurry, hurry. Slay, what are you doing? Focusing or not? Okay. Now, let's take a look here, students. Are you ready for the next question? Oh, I think this is super easy. Students, I tell you what. I'm going to give you a countdown and you're going to type your answer in the chat. What fraction of the figure is shaded? Remember to type R for Rumi, J for Jinu. Okay? The countdown timer starts now. Okay, submit your answer now. Let me see who got it correct. Hachi Ware, you got it. Who else? Ilaris, Team Rumi, and who else? Momo Shell, you write 31. It's supposed to be a fraction. Type wrongly, is it? What level is this? Primary 5, Rebecca. Give it practice. Primary 5 intermediate. We are doing Primary 5 intermediate. Those of you who are new here, we are doing Primary 5 intermediate. If you do not have the worksheet, what can you do? Go to my profile. Okay. Click on the link tree. Can you see link tree here? You end up here. So from here, you can just click this button and download your free worksheets. Then you can join us live. So students, let me see who else got it correct, okay? I already know Hachi where got it, followed by Fauzi, what is that? Fauzulik. And who else? And a Chinese name. What is this Chinese name? Wan. Is it Wan? Okay, I don't know whether Teacher Anson is here tonight. Teacher Anson, if you're in the audience, can you tell me how to read that name? Wan, is it? I don't know. But you are all from Team Rumi. Congratulations, Team Rumi. You have 3 points. Wait, hold on. I opened the wrong thing. You have 3 extra points and now you are leading by 6 points. Well done, Team Rumi, and we are at 25k likes. Let's celebrate. Nice one, students. We have hit 25. The next one will be 50. Alright. This life is so energetic, everyone. Can you believe it or not? Okay, so students, this is a super easy question, right? So do you know it looks very black? Okay, why is it looking black? Because I'm using a green screen. I shouldn't have colored this green, but it's okay. It's okay. Let me just show you this part. Maybe now it will not appear as black. Okay lah, whatever lah. So students, what fraction is shaded? Let me just draw some lines. Okay, if you draw some lines like that, you divide it into equal units, then it is very easy for us to count what fraction is shaded. So the shaded, there are 3 triangles that are shaded. And how many is the total? The total is 4 times 4, 16. Therefore, how much is shaded? 3 out of 16. Ta-da! Quite easy, right, students? Alright, so anyone have any questions? You just type in the chat because I'm also reading the chat. Last night did not reach 50. Yes, last night didn't reach, but I think tonight can. Because last night had lesser people. You know why lesser or not? Because not many of you needed to study Primary 4 Intermediate. Because Primary 4 Intermediate, to be honest, is quite easy. So today is Primary 5 Intermediate, there will be more people. Then you know when is the most people or not? Monday night. Because Monday we are doing Primary 5 Advanced. So I think that will be the most insane one. Okay? And it's going to be quite difficult. No joke. So, percentage, discount. Come, let's take a look at question number 5. Do you know your percentages or not? Everybody, can you type in the chat? Let me ask you a question. What is the meaning of this? Recently, I published a TikTok video also. I published a video, what is 3% of 4%, remember? If you went to my TikTok, you would have seen it over here, I think. Where is it? Yeah, this one. What is 3% of 4%? So, what did I say in that video? I said that percentage means what? Can you type in the chat? What does it mean? It means divide by, you see, you all never watched the video, is it? It means divide by 100. So, what does it? For example, 25%. What is 25%? 25% is 25 divided by 100, which is actually 1/4. What is 50%? 50% is 50 divided by 100, which is half. Okay, so now everybody, I hope you know what is the meaning of percentage. It is something very basic that surprisingly not many of you know. Okay, so make sure you know what is percentage, students. It means divide by 100. So now they show you the price of the dress in 2 different shopping malls. They gave you the original selling price and they also give you the discount. And they ask you what is the difference between the price in both mall A and mall B. So you're supposed to find the price in mall A and you take the difference with the price in mall B and you are supposed to give me your answer. Understand, students? I'm going to give you some time to think before I start the countdown. Remember? 30k? The next one is 50k. What? We just did 25k. What? Next one is 50k, okay? Okay, so don't scare me. Don't anyhow say 30k. I thought we need to do something. Okay, students. Can you... Okay, I'm going to start the countdown timer. And you are going to type what is the difference between the price of the dress in mall A and mall B. Are you ready? And let me start the timer now. Okay, show me your answers, everybody. Ilaris. Wow, Ilaris and who else? Oh, some of you give me wrong answer also. AKV. AKV. Akva. I don't know whether that's how you're supposed to pronounce your name, okay? AKV, you got it correct. Who else? I got correct answer from Ilaris And I got it from AKV. Then who else got the correct answer? Oh, I can see Eddie from Team Gino. So, very good. 2 points for Rumi, 1 point for Gino. Well done, students. Looks like Team Rumi, you have more than 10 points. Congratulations, you have double digit now. And Gino, you have 4 points. Boys, what happened, boys? How can you lose to the girls by such a wide margin? Yesterday, you beat the girls. Come on, boys, you can do better. Don't let me down, okay, boys? Alright, so students, how are we going to calculate this, everybody? Now, we know that percentage means divide by 100. So if they tell you that the discount is 40%, so how much must you pay? You only need to pay 60%. Okay? Whenever you walk into a shop, whatever price that you see, okay, price tag, you see a price tag, right? The price is always 100%, students. Then if they give you a discount, so let's say they gave you a 40% discount, then how much must you pay? Then you only need to pay 60%. Okay, students? So, can you just tell yourself that you're going to pay 60% and you're going to pay 60% off $140. So now you need to say that, okay, percentage is divide by 100. So you take 60 divide by 100, then you times 140, and you can, remember just now what did I tell you? Simplify before you multiply. How many times have I repeated this already? I repeated this quite a few times already. Simplify before you multiply. Okay, what does it mean? Whenever you multiply fractions, simplify it first. Get rid of the 0, get rid of the 0, get rid of the 0, get rid of the 0. Now you simplify already, right? Then you can multiply. What do you end up with? You end up with 6 times 14. Okay? So, if you have 6 times 14, that will give you $84. So that is how much you must pay in shopping mall A. Now you're going to find out how much must you pay in shopping mall B. If the discount is 30%, how much are you paying? You must pay 70% of $150. 70 out of 100, okay? Because percentage means that you divide by 100. And remember, simplify before you multiply. Get rid of the 0, get rid of the 0. Now you end up with 7 times 15, which is going to be $105. So what's the difference in the prices? The difference in the price is equal to 105 minus 84, and that will give us $21. Ta-da! Okay, so what did we learn from this, students? We learned that whenever you walk into a shop, the moment you see a price tag, that is already 100%. So if they tell you that they're going to give you a discount, you take 100, you minus the discount, then you know how much you need to pay. And what did we learn also? Percentage means divide by 100. And one more thing that I keep on repeating, simplify before you multiply. Okay, students? If you have questions, type in the chat because I'm also reading the chat. Divide and celebrate. What is this? Divide and celebrate. Math competition with 316. I don't understand what is this. Oh, there's an AI typing to me. Divide and celebrate. Hey, what is this AI? Live math competition with 316 and 25k likes. Comment your favorite part. I don't understand what is that. I don't understand what is that AI typing, okay? Okay, students, no questions, then let's try. Wait, Mr. Liu, somebody say Mr. Liu. Yes, Slay, you say Mr. Liu. Why? Why you call me? Girl power, wow! Oh, we are ending at 9:30. This one ends at 9:30. Oh, you just finished SEMO today. Very good. How did it go? How many of you took SEMO today? I know that some countries are taking SEMO competition today, okay? Let me know how it went. When is SEMO? What is SEMO? Oh, Southeast Asian Mathematical Olympiad. If you do Math Olympiad, then you will know what is SEMO. Okay, don't worry. Today we are doing P5 Intermediate, focusing on the end of year exam. So don't worry about SEMO. Alright, students, area of composite figures, triangles. They're asking you, what is the area of the entire figure, the shaded figure, which is made up of so many triangles? Look like some complicated Christmas tree. So everybody, your task is to find the total area of that shape over there. I think there's a long way to do it, but there's also a very smart way to do it. Hopefully you are using the smart way, and hopefully you are very careful. Are you ready? I'm going to count down. Huh? When I finish the countdown, then you can type your answer. If the countdown have not finished, and you type your answer before that, I'm sorry, it's not counted. Okay, students? So, for those of you who are just joining us, if you don't have the worksheet, go to my profile, click on this link 3, go and download the worksheet here, MathTok Live 2025, P4 and P5. So you just join me, then you can download the worksheet and join the live session. Remember, girls, you're from Team Rumi. Guys, you're from Team Jinu. Type R and type J when you give me your answer. The countdown timer is going to start very soon. You just need to tell me what is the area of this shaded region. No need to give me cm, no need to give me meters. Just give me the answer. And remember to type R or J. Your time starts now. Alright, time's up. Looks like... Ellie, 18 not 18. The answer is not 18. Ilaris from Rumi, Michaela, the answer is not 18. Nobody from Gino. Oh, wow. I can see Ilaris from Rumi. Nobody from Gino. And any more? Any more? Wait, let me see who is the third one. I already got 2 points. I already gave up 2 points already. One is Rumi, one is Gino. So let me search for the third one, okay? The third one is Krista. But I don't know which team is Krista from. You never say R or J, Rumi or Gino. So I have to give it to EG. EG is from Team Gino. Congratulations! Why am I opening this? Congratulations! 2 points for Team Gino. And 1 point for Team Rumi. So Gino, now you have 6 points. And Rumi, you have 12 points. Well done, students. Don't worry, Rumi. You are still twice as... You still have twice as much points as Team Gino. And Team Gino, don't worry. You still have a lot of opportunity to catch up. Okay? So, students, what is the smart way to solve this? What is the smart way to solve this, students? Your keyboard lagging. Never mind. You know what you should do or not, students? You should type your answer first. Then when the countdown timer disappears, then you just need to press send. You can type first. You can type. When the timer disappears, then you send your answer. That's it. Okay? So you don't need to wait until the timer countdown, then you start typing. That will take very long. I forgot today got lesson. Don't worry, edits. It's okay. Hey, don't hurt your finger. AVK, don't hurt your finger, okay? Why you all fracture your hand? My goodness! I've never heard of this before. Somebody liking the live until you fracture your hand. My God, I think this is the first world record. Students, don't go and fracture your finger, okay? Just take it slow, please. Teamwork, okay? Don't try to be one person and overdo it. Don't overdo it, because then you get injured. Then tomorrow you cannot join anymore. Right or not, students? So keep your energy. We still have lesson tomorrow for Primary 4 Advanced. And on Monday, which is the big one, Primary 5 Advanced class. I think that one is going to be quite tough. Okay, so save your energy. Please don't break your finger. First time I hear this story, students. Okay, the figure is made up of isosceles triangles. You know what I'm going to do, everybody? First, we are going to count how many height do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can just say 5 unit equal to 30 meters. So what is 1 unit? 1 unit is 6 meters. Okay, so far so good. Then you know what you can do, students? How many? Okay, can you type in the chat? Can you type the letter Y? The letter Y, that means yes. Okay, how many of you type yes? If you did this, can you type yes? How many of you actually combine the two triangles together and you make a square? Anybody did that or not? Type yes. Wow, very good. That's the smart way of doing things, students. No need to find one by one. Just combine them and become a square. Okay, so we just need to count how many squares. So 1 square equal to 6 times 6, which is 36. So if you combine all of them together, how many squares do you get? We will end up with 3 square. 36 times 3. Very easy. Ta-da! Okay, no sweat. This is the smart way of doing things. In my class, I always encourage students, please do it the smart way. Don't do it the long way, so that you can save time in the exam. And not only save time, save careless mistakes. Okay? So the approach that you take, make sure it is the most efficient method. Then because in the exam, time equals to marks. So please don't waste time. Okay, students? Alright. This 44K already. You're not bad. You're quite fast. Okay, triangles. How many of you actually watched my TikTok video about this? Can you type yes if you've seen this TikTok video already? Who already watched the TikTok video solving this question? Okay, students, very good. If you watched it, then you should know how to solve it. So I'm going to count down 5 seconds. Then you're going to share your answer. Remember, boys, you're in Team Jinu. Girls, you're in Team Rumi. Are you ready? Once you get your answer, please type R and J. Then I will know who to give points to. For those of you who are just joining, if you do not have the worksheet, don't worry. Just go to my profile, click on the link tree here. Then you'll end up on here, this page, the link tree. You can just download your worksheets here. Join the MathTok live for free, okay? Alright, are you ready? I'm going to count down and you can give me your answer in 5, 3, 2, 1. Give me your answers now. What is the length of BE, students? Some of you say what? 3.75. Okay, who else? Anyone else? You can give me an answer as a fraction also. Wait, I don't see the link tree. Huh? Oh, you don't see the link tree? Okay, never mind. I show you later. Let me check the answers first. Ilaris. Who else got it correct? Ilaris and who else? Efrin. And Wei Ming. Congratulations. 2 from Team Jinu. Sorry. 2 from Team Rumi and 1 from Team Jinu. Congratulations, Rumi. You have 14 points and Jinu, you have 7 points right now. So, hey, guess what? The ratio still remain the same. Rumi is still 2 times more than Jinu. Very interesting, right? Okay, so somebody said link tree is not working. Okay, come let me show you, okay? You go to, how do you go to my profile? Can you see that there's the logo, my logo here? Just click on my logo, Tutify logo. You should be able to go to my profile page. From my profile page, you click on the link tree. There, this link here, click it. Click it, then this will open. So, so when this thing open, can you see join MathTok live? Then you just click it. And you'll be able to see the poster there, MathTok P4 and P5. This is what we are doing. Correct or not, students? This is what we are doing. So today we are 18th of October. Today is P5 Intermediate. Tomorrow, 19th October is P5 Advanced. P5 Advanced is tomorrow. Sorry. Tomorrow is P4. P4 Advanced. Followed by Monday, P5 Advanced. Okay, so don't worry, the link tree is working, students. So, let's see how do we solve this question. Congratulations, those of you who got 3.75, you are correct. I will not really give my answer in a decimal format because do you know that you are allowed to give your answer as an improper fraction? And it is the most convenient to give your answer as an improper fraction. Okay, students, let me show you how to give the answer as an improper fraction. They are asking you to find the length of BE. So how do you find the length of BE? Everybody, can you please look at this triangle for me? Look at this triangle. We all know that when you find the area of the triangle, what must you do? How should you find area of a triangle? You must take half times the base multiplied by the height. So, if I were to draw a triangle, and if I were to tell you that the base is here, where is the height? The height must always be 90 degrees to the base. Okay? even if you take the triangle and even if you rotate it upside down or whatever, it does not matter. Even if I tell you that the base is here, where's the height? The height is still going to be 90 degrees. Okay, let me just draw properly. 90 degrees to the base. 90 degrees to the base. Okay? So, students, I just want you to know that the base can be anywhere. It does not have to be at the bottom. It can be on top. It can be at the left or the right. It doesn't matter. As long as the height is 90 degrees to the base. So let's take a look here. What did the question say? The question say that AC is 8 cm. BC is how much? BC is 6 cm. They say that AD is how much? DA is 5 cm. Okay? And they ask you to find what is the length of BE. What is the length of BE? So students, can we see how do we find the area of the blue triangle? Half times the base times what is the height? The height must be 90 degrees to the base. BE. Half times base times height. That will be the area of the blue triangle. But there's another way to find the area of the blue triangle. Guess what? We are going to use a different base. Okay, look here, students, look here. Can we just use this as the base? If I say that this is the base, where is the height? Then the height must be 90 degrees. Can you see this? 90 degrees. That means this must be the height. So you can say half times the base times the height. So what is 12 times half times 8? Half times 8 is 4. 4 times of BE equal to half times 6 times 5, 15. So what is BE? 15 divided by 4. And I have my answer, students. Do I need to change it into a decimal? No need. It is already simplest form. It is an improper fraction. Are you allowed to leave your answer as an improper fraction? Absolutely yes. As long as you simplify your answer. Oh my goodness, 52K! Let's celebrate! Nice one, everybody! We hit 50,000 likes! Good job, everybody! So the next one will be 75. Let's go, let's go! Okay, students, so what do you learn from this? We learned that the base of a triangle can be anywhere. It can be at the bottom, it can be at the side, I don't care. As long as the height is 90 degrees to the base. Okay, students? Well done. Okay, and what else did we learn? You can give your answer in improper fraction as long as you simplify it. So it's not necessary to convert into a mixed number, decimal, not necessary. I mean, if you want, you can. It's up to you. Really, it's up to you. Okay, students, are you ready for question number 8? There's actually a smarter way to do this. And there's also a long way to do this. Whenever I teach, I always tell you, please try to use the most efficient method. Use the smart way, don't use the long way. Okay, students, think smart, don't work hard. So, let's take a look here. Just in case anyone don't have the worksheet, go to my profile, click on the link tree. Then, once you go to the link tree, this is what you see. Join MathTok Live. Then you can download the worksheet for free and you can join us, okay? So, students, remember, boys, you're in Team Gino. Girls, you're in Team Rumi. When you give your answer, you wait for my countdown first. Once my countdown is over, then you can send your answer. Type the letter R if you're from Rumi, J if you're from Gino. Okay? So the question is asking you. Let's read the question before I ask you for your answer. I haven't asked for answer yet. Don't give me your answer yet. Okay, ready? They say the figure is made up of 8 identical squares and 5 squares are removed from figure 1 and in order to form figure 2. If the parameter of figure 1 is 280 T. Okay, they gave us some information. The parameter of figure 1 is 280. What is the parameter of figure 2? So basically, they're asking you to find what is the outline, which is the parameter, the outline of figure 2. This is exactly what they want you to find, the outline of figure 2. And they already told you the parameter of figure 1 is, okay, this is the parameter of figure 1. This parameter here is, okay, let me label it for you. This is 280 cm. So now they're asking you what is this parameter. So students, there's going to be the smart way to do it, and there's also the long way to do it, not so smart. I hope you use the smart way. I'm going to give you the countdown very soon. Then you can type your answer in the chat. Remember, boys, type J, girls type R, so that I know which team are you from. Ready? The timer is going to start now. Okay, send me your answer, everybody. Your brain is lost. Your brain is lost. All of my question is ratio. Oh, I thought I already sent a new answer, the new worksheet already. Okay, I tell you what, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. Let me answer your question first. All your question are Ellie. Okay, do you know what happened, Ellie? Because last year was the last time that P5 do ratio. Now P5 don't do ratio anymore. Okay, so what I did was I resend an updated worksheet to everyone via email. Don't worry, students. All of you whose worksheet have different worksheet from me, you follow my link tree. You go to the link tree. You just click on the link tree. Just go and download. Go and download it again. Okay, students, you just click on this button and download the worksheet again. There's no harm. Then you'll be able to get the most updated worksheet, just in case those of you have wrong worksheet. Okay, students? Yes, 67K. Oh, definitely. 67K. You are waiting for 67, is it? I give my answer in a mixed fraction. You can give answer in mixed fraction. That's not wrong. All the questions ratio. Okay, let me check who gave the correct answer, okay? For question number 8, let me see who typed the correct answer. Ilaris! Congratulations, Ilaris! Who else? Is that all? Who else? Is it just Ilaris? Wait, I saw some more. Efrin! You got it, Efrin. And Isaac! Well done, Isaac! You got it! So Gino, Rumi, and Rumi. Gino, Rumi, and Rumi. Wait. Let me see. Yeah, 2 Rumi and 1 Gino. Correct. Well done, Rumi. I think this time round, you are very far ahead of Gino. Well done, Team Rumi. You have 16 points now. And Gino, you have 8 points. Congratulations. Don't worry, Gino. You still have chances to catch up later, okay? So students, can you tell me what's the smart way of doing this? Now, how many of you use this method? Push out method. Can you type yes in the chat? Type the letter Y, yes. If you use the push out method, type yes in the chat. Yes, very good. Students, did you notice that I already made a video on this method? And it is, wait, let me see where's that video on the push out there. Do you notice that in this video here, this one, geometry, I already wrote the push out method. So we are going to use the push out method to solve this question. Okay, students? So what do I mean by the push out method? We just need to draw a line here and draw a line here. Do you notice that you can just push this up and you can just push this out? You just push it out, right? Then can you see all these lines here? Let's push it out. Push this out. Push this out. Push this out. Push this out. What do you get? You get a very nice rectangle. Correct, students? So if you just push everything out, what do you get? You will get a very nice rectangle. So now you know that the perimeter of this rectangle is 280 cm, which is the, okay, you can call this, how many units do you have here? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many units do you have here? 3 units. So the total perimeter is how many units? Perimeter equals to 2 times length plus breadth. That means you need 2 length and 2 breadth, right? So the length is 4 unit, the breadth is 3 unit. So you times 2. 4 plus 3 times 2, then you get 14 units. 14 unit equal to 280 cm. 1 unit is equal to 20 cm. So now we know 1 unit is 20 cm. What is the perimeter of figure number 2? You can also use the push out method. Okay, look at this line here and this line here. This line and this line. I'm just going to push it out here. And I'm just going to push this out here. Then you just push this out here. And you push this out here. You will get the perimeter, which is a rectangle, which is a square. So this is 2 units. This is also 2 units. So total how many units perimeter? 8 units. 8 units equals to 160 cm. We are done. So students, is it necessary for you to slowly count the line one by one? Count the line one by one. No. Don't waste time. Use the push-out method. But there's one thing that you must be very careful when using the push-out method. It can only be used for perimeter. It cannot be used for what? Area. Okay? Wait, just now I think somebody said you want 67K, right? I will give you 67K because it's a special number. We are reaching 67. We are reaching 67 very soon. 300 more. Okay, students. All right. Oh my God, 66.9. 67K! Nice! We hit 67K likes. Can you believe it? Alright, next time 67 will be one of our targets. But anyway, I think the next one cannot be 75 because 75 is really too near already lah. So let's just do 80, okay? 85, 80 lah, 80 is no problem. Okay, so students, alright, so remember push-out method. Cannot use it for area, only perimeter. Okay, students, help, my phone dented from spamming likes. My goodness, can you stop spamming likes? Don't overdo it. Okay, you can like once in a while, but you overdo it, do you know we still have lesson tomorrow and we have lesson on Monday? Can you imagine if you break your phone now, then you cannot join us anymore. So please chill out. Okay, students, don't overdo it. Okay, let's look at working backwards. Now, students, I feel that working backwards is an extremely important topic. Why? Because it is definitely going to be tested. Not only is it definitely tested, it is also somewhere that you can save a lot of time. If you know the correct strategy, you'll save a lot of time. But if you don't know the correct strategy, you're wasting a lot of time. Because usually this type of question is a long paragraph, right? So I want everybody to learn how to do this strategy. Are you ready? Draw circle. Draw circle. Like that. Draw circle, draw arrow. Draw circle, draw arrow. It doesn't have to be a beautiful circle. It just has to be a circle and an arrow. You look at mine, so ugly, but it will save a lot of time. What is the meaning of the circle, students? The circle, right? Pay attention. The circle tells you the original. The first circle is the original number of people in the train. Then you continue, you have people alight. You have people boarding the train, alighting the train. All the way until the last circle. Look at the last circle. This is actually the final number of people remaining in the train. So the circle represents the number of people who are in the train. You understand? Okay, so we do not know how many people are there at first. It's okay, no problem. Students, please follow along. I'm going to solve the question. First, they say that at the first stop, 21 people boarded. No problem. I'm just going to plus 21. Okay? Next, they say that at the second stop, 10 more than half alighted. Be careful, students. The exam always likes to test your English. Even though it's a maths paper, they test your English. Don't worry, students. Let me show you how to solve it. Imagine that this is your total number of people. They say 10 more than half. More than half. First, you ask yourself, what is half? What is half? Half is over here. So this is half, right? This is half. Then they say 10 more than half. Okay, you just add 10 more lah. Ta-da! You just need to add 10 more. So what is 10 more than half? This is 10 more than half. That's it. So easy. 10 more than half. Okay, so how much is the remainder? This is your remainder. So how do you get the remainder? You take half, right? This is half. Then what must you do? You must minus 10. Then you get the remainder. So let's get half first. Then you minus away 10. Then that is 10 more than half. Then you have the remaining number of people in the train. So they say that there's 34 passengers left. 34. Understand? So students, one more time. Let me repeat with you again. Whenever they say 10 more than half, what must you do first? Go ahead and find what is half. Find half first. Then they say 10 more than half. Then you minus 10. Okay? So you find half, then you can minus your 10. Take it step by step. Okay, so now that we have gotten this, we are going to work backwards and you'll be able to tell me how many passengers are there on the train. Are you ready to give me the answer, students? I'm going to start the timer. Remember, J for Jinu, R for Rumi. Your timer is going to count down starting from now. Alright, give me your answers now. Looks like I can already see some wrong answers. Okay, let me see. Congratulations, I can see the very first correct answer is from Afrin. Afrin, you got it correct. Jamli, you got it correct. One Rumi and one Jino. Followed by who else? Any more or not? Only one Rumi and one Jino. And followed by Daphne Liu from Team Jino. Congratulations, 2 points for Jino and 1 point for Rumi. Well done. Team Rumi got 17. And Jino, you have hit double digit, 10 points. Congratulations, well done everybody. If you work backwards, what will happen, students? You see, that's why, what did I say? That's why I say that this kind of question is very serious, right? Working backwards is definitely tested in the exam. Can you see how many of you gave me the wrong answer or not? So many of you gave me wrong answer. Okay? Only a few of you gave me the correct answer. So please use this method so that you will not make careless mistake and so that you can solve it in one step. Are you ready? When you work backwards, you do the opposite. Instead of minus, what must you do? Plus. Instead of times, what must you do? Divide. Instead of plus, you do the opposite, minus. Okay? So you work backwards like that. 34 plus 10, 44. 44 divided by half. Students, whenever you see a divide, what must you do? Whenever you see a divide in a fraction, you must keep, flip, and change. KFC. Keep the number 44, flip the fraction upside down, and change the divide into a times. Keep, flip, and change, the answer is going to be, actually you don't need to write divide by 2 lah. Do you notice that it become times 2? It became times 2. So 44 times 2, the answer is 88. And then finally, what do you do? Minus 21, the answer is 67. Alright, congratulations. The answer is 67. Well done, those of you who got it correct. Good job. Okay, good. Now, students, if you got it wrong, please learn how to use working backwards method. If you are still not sure, I actually taught you how to use it. Where is it? I actually taught you how to use working backwards. So where is it? It is. I'm trying to find it. Oh, it's over here. Students, I found it. Can you see this question with the circle and the arrow, circle and the arrow? Everybody, you should please focus on working backwards. It's definitely tested in your exam. So if you use this method, not only will you save time, you'll avoid careless mistakes. Okay? Alright, so let's move on to the next question. And this is also another one that's definitely tested in the exam. Method of assumption. Students, are you ready? I'm going to ask for your answer very soon. They are asking you, how many rainy days are there? How many rainy days are there? Are you ready, students? I'm going to start the timer. And the time starts. How many rainy days were there, right? So they're asking for rainy. Wait, let me double check. How many rainy days? How many were rainy days? Okay, ready? I'm going to start the countdown timer. Your time starts now. Alright, let's see how many rainy days are there. How many rainy days are there, students? Looks like, wait, total is 8 times 6, okay? Assume all sunny days, then extra different rainy days. Okay, so looks like Ilaris. I saw your answer. Anyone else? Anybody else, students? Now, those of you who are just joining us, just in case you don't have a worksheet, just go to my profile. Can you click on this link tree? Click on the link tree. Once you click on the link tree, you'll be able to join the MathTok live. You can download your free worksheet. Okay, students? Then you will be able to give your answer and take part in the epic math battle between Team Rumi and Team Jinu. All the boys, you're from Team Jinu. All the girls, you're from Team Rumi. Okay, let's see who got the correct answer. Ilaris. Who else? Ilaris from team... Wait, it's still loading. I got it already. I'm scrolling up. Ilaris. Wow, so many of you gave the correct answer. Well done. I can see a lot of correct answer. Ilaris from Team Rumi, you got it correct. AKV from Team Rumi, you got it correct. And Afrin from Team Rumi, you got it correct. Marcel, you are so close. Marcel, you're the fourth one who get it correct. Unfortunately, only the top 3 correct answers will get the points. So, Team Rumi, you scored triple points this time round. You have 20 points and Team Jinu has 10 points. Congratulations, Rumi, you are leading. Wow. So, students, how should we do this? Okay, it's the method of assumption. They're asking you, how many are rainy days? How many are rainy days? So we are going to assume all are sunny days. Okay? If every day is a sunny day, how many packages can you deliver? You can deliver 20 packages on a sunny day, and they're asking you for 8 days. So let's just pretend that 8 days, they are all sunny days. So I multiply by 20 packages, 20 parcels per day, and you will deliver 160 parcels altogether. Isn't it too much? Right? They already told you, the question told you that you managed to deliver 112 parcels. So what was the excess? What was the extra that you delivered? 160 minus 112, you delivered too much, 48 too much. What is the difference between a sunny day and a rainy day? 20 minus 12. Can you see 20 for sunny day? 12 for rainy day? The difference is 8. So if you want to find out how many rainy days are there, you're going to take the extra days divided by the difference, which will give you 6 rainy days. There you go. Well done, students. So method of assumption is something very basic. It will be tested in your exam for sure. Okay? So everybody must know this method. 80k likes! Let's celebrate! students, well done. The next one will be 100K, okay? Good job, students. This is so fun. Keep the energy high and we will learn better. The more we interact, the more we learn, okay? So, students, good job, good job. So, let's take a look. Next one is probably 100K. Yes, you're correct, Slay. And who else say something else? Next one is 100K. Can we do it? Do what? 18 minutes to get 20K. Oh, 18 more minutes. Yes, maybe you can hit it. Who knows? Okay, students. Now, excess and shortage. Another one that is definitely tested in your exam. Correct, students? So how do you do excess and shortage? Firstly, we need to know what is the formula. The formula is excess plus shortage divided by the difference. But what if you have excess and excess? If it is the same, right? Or maybe shortage and shortage. Do you know what will happen? Instead of plus, it will become minus. Students, be careful here. If you have the same alphabet, it will become minus. Only if you have different alphabet, excess plus shortage, then it is a plus. So students, let's read the question. They say at the food stand, chicken nuggets are packed into boxes. If each box contains 7 nuggets, then there will be 19 nuggets left. So, do you think this 19 nuggets left, is this an extra nugget or is this a shortage of nugget? Okay, we have 19 nuggets left. Then what else did they say? If each box contains 9 nuggets, there will be 1 nugget left. So is this an extra nugget? Right? Maybe, who knows? How many nuggets are there altogether? Okay, students, I'm going to give you some time to think about it and use the formula. In the meantime, if you have any questions, I'm reading the chat. Later, I'm going to start the timer. Actually, why you all keep typing sponge? What's the meaning of sponge? I don't understand. Sponge, 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 sponge. What is sponge? What is sponge, students? What is sponge? You must explain to me. A lot of people left. Left what? What do you mean a lot of people left? Sponge. What is sponge? Someone spamming. Please block. Who? Oh, I can see. Monday. Today is my birthday. Hey, happy birthday, Jamly. Teacher, Monday is my birthday. Oh, Monday. Okay, Monday. If you are here, then we wish you happy birthday, okay? Okay, someone spamming. Please block. What is sponge? Yeah, I also don't know what is sponge. Oh, okay. So maybe I can block that user, is it? Okay, let me try to block the spammer 9207. Hey, I recognize you, 9207. You were here yesterday, what? Why are you spamming? Okay, never mind. I give you a chance. Don't spam, okay? If not, I will block you. But I recognize you. You're quite smart. You gave me quite a lot of correct answers. So I'm not going to block you yet. Okay, just don't spam lah. Don't spam, then I don't block you, okay? Teacher, he not logged in. What do you mean? Sir, how come so easy? This P5 intermediate. Tomorrow is P4 advanced. And then on Monday. Okay, students, for just in case you don't know, this is the program. Today we are doing P4, P5 intermediate. It's not that difficult yet. Tomorrow, same time, P4 advanced. And finally, on Monday evening, 8 p.m., P5 advanced, which is the most difficult one. Oh, you're in P2? Wow, very smart, P5 hard, meh? Yeah, it's not that hard actually. But if you're in advanced, maybe there'll be some questions that you did not know how to do. For those of you who did not download your worksheets, go to my profile, click on this link. Click on this link, then you'll open the link tree. When you open the link tree, you'll be able to download your worksheet over here. Join the MathTok live. So students, are you ready for me to ask you for your answer? Girls, your team Rumi, and boys, your team Jinu. Give me your answer for question number 11. I'm going to start the countdown timer. How many nuggets are there? The countdown begins now. Alright, I can see some of you giving your answers already. You love the sponge? What is sponge? I don't understand. Okay, Ilaris. Ilaris, you are from Team Rumi. I saw your answer. Michaela also Team Rumi. Ellie, wow, some of you giving different answers. Some say 89, some say 90, some say 82. So what is the correct answer actually? Huh? Some say 89, some say 82, some say 136. Okay, I tell you what, never mind. Never mind, I tell you what, I'm not going to tell you who gets the points. I'm going to work it out with you. Then after I work it out, you will know who got the correct answer. Then I'll give you your points. Are you ready? First, you look over here. Look at the nugget. You have 19 extra nuggets. So this must be excess. Okay? Excess 19 nugget. Then here you have one more extra nugget left. Again, is an excess. So now you have 19 excess and 1 excess. What is the difference? Look at the difference. At first, you pack how many nuggets into each box? 7. Then later you pack 9 nuggets into each box. What's the difference? 9 minus 7 equals to 2. So how do we find the number of boxes? You just need to use the formula excess minus excess divided by the difference. Okay, so what is the excess? 19 minus the excess 1 divided by the difference of 2. You realize that we have 9 boxes of nuggets. 9 boxes of nuggets. So how do you find the number of nuggets? Okay, let's write the number of nuggets equal to 9 boxes multiplied by, if each box contains 7 nuggets, so I times 7. There will be 19 nuggets left. So I plus 19. Now, you also have another case. You have 9 boxes. If each box can contain 9 nuggets, then there will be 1 extra nugget. Students, do you notice no matter which sentence you choose to follow, no matter what, you will still end up with the same answer. 9 times 7 plus 19. 9 times 9 plus 1. The answer is the same, no matter what. Okay, so the answer is 82. Let me check who got the correct answer, okay? You don't say P5 is not hard. You see, just now somebody say P5 difficult, man. It's difficult because so many of you got it wrong. My goodness. Okay, so looks like Ilaris and Michaela, you got it wrong. Ellie also got it wrong. Claire from Team Gino. Well done, Claire. You got it correct. Hey, is that Justin? Justin, is that you? I think I recognize Claire Ho. That's your mom, right? Your mom's account? Okay, then who else we got? Jam Lee, you got it correct from Team Gino. Who else? Who else? And also 4Leaf Mama from Team Rumi. Congratulations! 1 point for Rumi and 2 points for Gino. So the score is 21 and 12. Good job, students! Okay, so Team Gino, are you going to catch up or not? You have about how many more questions left? You have 3 more questions. Wait, let me see. 3 more questions. 3 more questions left to catch up. So if let's say Team Gino, right, you answer all the 3 questions and you get full marks, 3 times 3 is 9. Is it possible for you to... It's possible for you to tie with Rumi. You cannot beat Rumi, but you can tie. Okay, don't worry. I will give chance. The last question is going to be triple points. Triple points. So there's a small chance that Team Gino can still catch up with Rumi. Okay, so now we are going to focus on question number 12. Students, this is super duper easy and you can get the answer in 20 seconds. So I'm going to give you 20 seconds to think about it. Then I'm going to start the counter. If you are a boy, remember type J. Girl, type R. Team Rumi and Team Gino. Boys versus girls. And for those of you who don't have the worksheet, never mind. Just go here. Click on the link tree. Right? Then you open up the link tree. Can you see join the MathTok live? We are doing MathTok live right now, okay? We are doing P4 and P5 exam preparation. PSLE MathTok live. P4 and P5 edition. So today we are doing P4 in P5 intermediate. Tomorrow is P4 advanced. And Monday is the most difficult, P5 advanced. Okay, students, are you ready? I'm going to start the countdown timer and you are going to give me your answer for question number 12. Ready? And countdown starts now. Okay, send in your answers. What is the answer? I can see who got it correct. Let me see. Some say 200. 200 is wrong. 200 is wrong, students. I solo 80.4k. What? Serious? Is that possible? Oh my god, gonna reach 100k already. Okay, never mind. Let me check who got the correct answer first. Very good, Ilaris. Correct. Daphne Liu, correct. One Rumi, one Gino. Mumu, I don't know which team are you from. You forgot to tell me Rumi or Gino, Mumu. And I got Marcel, Team Gino. Congratulations, Gino, you got 2 points. And Rumi, you got 1 point. So Rumi has 22. Gino has 14. There is still some hope for Gino. Well done. Congratulations, students. Alright, so students, why did I say this is super duper easy? Let me show you something, okay? If I draw a rectangle here, and I slice it into half, I'm sure everybody, you will tell me that this is half. The triangle is half of the rectangle, right? What if I draw another triangle, another rectangle here, and I slice it into half? Everybody, I'm sure that you agree with me that this is half, correct or not? Then what if I join it together? Kaboom! If you join it together, do you notice that this entire triangle, right? Isn't it half of the entire rectangle? So, students, look. Look at this triangle. Isn't this triangle half of the entire rectangle? And also, isn't this triangle half of the square? So, only half of the entire diagram is shaded. Okay? So, you don't need to spend so much time and waste your steps. You can just immediately say half times the entire rectangle. Half times the entire rectangle is shaded. So now we simplify. Remember what did I always say? Simplify before you multiply. Correct or not? So simplify first. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Then what is your answer? 50 times 8. What is 50 times 8? The answer is 400 centimeter square. Okay, students? So easy, right? Well done. So that's why when I say, whenever you see a triangle inside a rectangle, the triangle is half of the rectangle. Hey, it's slanted. Sorry, I draw wrongly. Whatever lah. You understand what I mean. Triangle inside a rectangle. The triangle is half of the rectangle. Even if the triangle looks like that, it's no problem. It is still half. Still half. And congratulations, we have hit more than 100k likes. Woo! Well done, everyone. Good job. We have hit 100k likes. So the next one is 125. I'm not sure whether we'll hit it, but let's just see how it goes because the session is going to end very soon. So students, I hope you learn how to... Sorry, wrong. Sorry, that was a mistake. Okay, so I hope you learn this concept. Whenever you see a triangle in a rectangle, the triangle is half of the rectangle. So let's look at this angle question and remember the last one, I'm going to give you triple points. Then we'll see whether Rumi or Gino can win. Are you ready? Question 13. They want you to find the obtuse angle. What is the meaning of acute? Acute. That means it looks like a cat. Very cute. And it must also be less than 90 degrees. That is acute angle. Then we can say the obtuse. What is obtuse? Obtuse is in between 90 and 180. Then what is reflex? Reflex must be greater than 180 already. Very big angle. Okay. So we want to find the obtuse angle ABC. So where is the obtuse angle ABC? It is over here. It is not more than 180. It is not more than 100. It's a little bit lesser than 180. So it's called obtuse. You cannot say reflex. So everybody, we want to find the value of this angle. So I'm going to give you some time to think about it first. So remember, students, download your sorry, not download. When you give your answer, can you type R and J? Girls, Rumi, boys, Jinu. Then I know which point to give, who to give points to. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to count down now. What is the obtuse angle ABC? And your countdown begins now. Okay, send your answer. Congratulations, Justin. Are you Aiden or Justin? I'm not sure. But there you go. Justin, you got it correct. Daphne, you got it correct. Team Gino, my goodness. Both of you are from Team Gino. And Ilaris got it correct from Team Rumi. So 1 point for Rumi and 2 points for Gino. Wow, Gino suddenly wake up already. Wow, suddenly is it Guima came to scold you and ask you to eat more souls? That's why you suddenly woke up. What happened, Gino? How come you suddenly woke up? Very good, Team Gino. Well done. Now, how should we solve this, students? Okay, angles will definitely be tested. In fact, geometry is one of the bigger topics with more marks, more weightage. So let's take a look at this. It is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. So what is a parallelogram? Okay, this line is parallel, 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 parallel. Correct? And do you notice that we have an equilateral triangle here? Because all the sides are the same. So what is an equilateral triangle? That means every single side has the same angle, 60 degrees. Okay? Now, in a parallelogram, we know that they said CDE is 106. Where's CDE? CDE. Okay, now, students, they said that this is 106. CDE is over here, 106. That means this must be 46. Because 60 plus 46 is 106. So, once you find this, what do you know about parallelogram? Everybody in an angle, right, is when you deal with angles, it is very important to identify this alphabet. F, Z, X. Now there's actually one more, C. But actually C is a little bit similar to F. Don't worry, let me explain. This angle and this angle, A plus B, add up to 180 degrees. As long as you have a set of parallel lines. So students, can you see that this is 46? And then what is this? 134. Because it is a letter F. Or you want to call it a letter C, it's up to you. But let me draw it for you, okay? This is what I'm talking about. Can you see that there's a letter F here? There's a letter F here. Then this angle plus this angle is supposed to be 180. Understand, students? Okay, so there's letter F. And what else can you say about the letter F? Actually, you can also say that this is the same angle A. Okay, students? So letter F has a lot of things for you, a lot of clues that you can get from letter F. What about letter Z? Parallel line, right? The alternate angles are the same. Then what about angle X? The alternate angles, vertically opposite angles are the same. So whenever you look at angles, you just try to find the letter F, letter Z, letter X. If you want to find the letter C, right? Actually, C is very similar to F. You just draw one line, become F already. I think some of you like to say C. Personally, I don't care about the letter C. I only care about letter F. That's for me, I prefer. But it's up to you. If you prefer letter C, you can go ahead. Alright, students. Okay, so look out for all these alphabets. So now we already found that. Sorry, what is this? Delete. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Going to make some space. So now I already found 134 over there. So can you find this angle now? Can. Okay. If you want to find this angle, angle ABC equal to 360 degrees, which is one complete circle. One complete circle is always 360. Then you minus away 134, and don't forget to minus away the 60, and you'll end up with 166 degrees. There you go. Alright, students. Are you ready for the final question with triple points? Team Gino, let's do some very quick mathematics here. Okay, if it is triple points, if 3 of you get it, the top 3, right, you get 9 points. You will beat Rumi, you know. If 2 of you get it, right, then you will get how many points? Plus 6, 22. Then Rumi will win. Okay, the only way that Gino is going to win is if all 3 of you manage to get it correct for the last question. Now, there's 2 parts to this question. Okay, there are 2 parts to this question. Part A. Okay, part A, right? They're asking you for the angle WZY. WZY. Then part B is asking you for the angle QRX. So what I'm going to do is this, students. Part A, I'm still going to give you a chance to answer it, but there's no triple point. It's not triple point. Only part B is triple point. So students, I'm going to ask you for part A. So let's read the question first. WXYZ is a rhombus. Okay, rhombus, parallel line. Then, you know what else do we know about rhombus? The opposite angles are the same. So I know that this is 76. Wait, sorry. 76 degrees. Okay, that's much better. Then after that, they say that, what else? Rhombus, then a straight line, then RQ equals to RY. Oh, then isosceles triangle. There's an isosceles triangle here, so if I call this angle A, then this is also the same angle A. Isosceles triangle, okay? What else did they say? They say that XWZ is 76. XWZ, okay, 76. XRY is 43. XRY is 43. Okay, they already wrote down 43 for us. And they're asking you to find the angle WZY. WZY. That means they want you to find this angle, question mark. So students, I'm going to give you 5 seconds countdown. After that, I'm going to see who got the correct answer. Ready? Answer part A. Don't give me part B. Don't answer part B. Only give me the answer for part A. WZY. Your time starts now. Okay, give me your answer. Let me see your answers. What is the answer for part A, students? Wow, Mumushel from Gino. 4-leaf Mama from Rumi, and Leah Dex from Rumi. Congratulations, 2 points for Rumi and 1 point for Gino. So the score is 25:17. Oh, is it still possible for Team Gino to win? Yes, definitely possible. Because 9, if you get all 3 correct, right? You add 9 points, you already overtake Rumi. So part B is going to be a triple point question. Get ready to answer it. But before that, I'm going to solve part A. Students, remember I told you to look out for the letter F. So whenever you see a letter F, okay, what did I say? This angle plus this angle, as long as it is parallel lines here, okay, is 180. Can you see the letter F, parallel lines here? So therefore, this must be 104 degrees. It's not even that difficult. So that's why I say it's a single point. I'm not giving triple point. It's too easy already. Okay, next, part B. What do they want, students? They say QRX. So where's QRX? Okay, never mind. We already know that this is 104, right? Okay, we already know that this is 104. Why? Because the opposite angles in parallelogram are the same. And do you notice that there's a letter X here also? So if there's a letter X, then this is also 104, right? What are they asking you? Find the angle what? QRX. Where's QRX? QR and X. Okay, they want you to find this angle, students. Question mark. Okay, so I'm going to give you a countdown of 5 seconds and you are going to type your answer. What is the angle QRX? And your countdown, triple points, huh? Your countdown, remember to type R or J. If not, I don't know which team are you from. Triple points. Your time starts now. Alright, type your answer, students. Type your answer. Looks like I have what? Where else? Oh, looks like, wait, the very first one is Marcel. Congratulations, Marcel from Ginu. Congratulations, Justin, Claire Ho from Ginu. And 47 from Ginu. Nope, it's not 47. Wei Ming, you got it correct from Ginu. What? Congratulations, Ginu. This is unbelievable, man. This is really unbelievable. You got 9 points at the last minute for a total of 26 points. Therefore, I'm going to declare that the winner is Team Ginu. Congratulations, Team Ginu! What a surprising and shocking comeback. Do you know that actually, right, Afrin from Team Rumi, right, was right behind Wei Ming, you know. So if Afrin just type a little bit faster than Wei Ming, right, then Afrin would have won the point for Rumi. Okay? So it is so close, students, so close. Never mind, Rumi, I tell you what. You still have 2 chances, tomorrow and Monday. Okay? If you really want to get even with them, right, tomorrow you will kick their butt and you'll trash them. Because, you know, to be very honest, Rumi, actually today, you're already so far in front. Okay? So I think you can do it. So let's see what happens tomorrow. So students, let's focus on question B, QRX. They say that the straight line, they want you to find that small little angle there, right? And guess what, students? We are in an isosceles triangle right now because this angle, this line and this line have the same length. So this angle and this angle must also be the same, right or not, students? So one more thing I want to show you is this. Everybody, can you learn this secret trick? Okay, learn this secret trick. I don't know whether your teacher taught you, but look, whenever you see a triangle, right, and you have an extra line, whatever angle is outside here we call it the exterior angle. It's a very useful angle. You know why? Because the exterior angle equal to this angle plus this angle. So if I want to write it down, I can just say the exterior angle equal to this plus this. So students, can you spot the exterior angle here? Okay, let me show you, okay? Look at this. Do you notice that there's a triangle here? So, what is the exterior angle? Ta-da! Can you see this exterior angle here? This yellow one? So, if you take this exterior angle, it is equal to this plus this. Okay? So, I can say that 104 is equal to 43 plus A. So what is A? A must be 61 degrees. So students, now you managed to find angle A, 61 degrees already. So that means this is also 61 degrees, yes? So how do you find this? Question mark. 180 minus 61 minus 104. Minus 61 minus 104. And the answer is 15 degrees. Okay? So students, that's how I hope you manage to spot exterior angle. It is very useful. Whenever you do angles next time, look out for letter F, letter X, letter Z. Look out for exterior angle. Look out for equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. So everyone, tomorrow, Team Rumi, you have a chance to take revenge. Our lesson is going to be for P4 Advanced at 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, which is Sunday evening, 8 p.m. 8 until 9:30. We are going to do P4 Advanced class. Okay, and those of you who have not downloaded your worksheet, you can go to my profile, click on this link here, then you will see the link tree. Go and click on this to join and register so that you can get your free worksheets to join us tomorrow. So students, it is well done today. We managed to complete the entire worksheet, and we also had a very exciting turn of the tides. We had a turn of the tides from Team Jinu, who suddenly overtook Rumi at the last moment. This is starting to sound like a anime drama already. So students, well done today. Tomorrow we are going to continue to have more fun. So I think we did not manage to hit 125k, but in order to reward you for all your energy today, let's just celebrate for fun. Let's go! Well done, everyone! So we had so much fun today, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow's class. I wonder whether Rumi is finally going to beat Gino. So Rumi, please bring all your female friends and try to spam the chat with all the correct answers. Okay? Then you will stand a really good chance of winning. Other than that, students, if you have any questions, feel free to DM me so that I can read your messages and reply. And the solutions, when will you get the full solution? The full solution, somebody say, when pigs fly. Somebody requests soda pop. Hey, actually, that's a very good idea. I think soda pop is a good idea. Okay, let me try to fix the soda pop for you all. Let me try to make soda pop for you all. Okay, students? That's a good suggestion. Anyone else have any good suggestion, just DM me and I will read your message. Okay, students, so DM me and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.